Eager to torch calories without jarring your joints? Today we're unveiling the top elliptical machines that blend high-intensity workouts with whisper-quiet operation and cutting-edge tech. From beginner-friendly models to pro-grade beasts with adjustable inclines, stick around to discover your ultimate home cardio companion. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have EFITMENT Magnetic Elliptical Machine, the best budget elliptical machine. Searching for a great budget elliptical? Try the EFITMENT Magnetic Elliptical Machine. After extensive use, I can confidently say it stands out in the crowded fitness market. Compact and durable, this machine fits easily into small spaces while still delivering an impressive workout. The combination of movable arms and 8 resistance levels makes workouts effective and versatile. You can easily switch up the difficulty to match your fitness goals. This feature adds variety and ensures you stay engaged over time. I particularly appreciate the simple monitor that displays calories burned, speed, distance, time, and pulse. While it lacks fancy features like streaming workouts or Bluetooth, this straightforward approach keeps your focus on exercising instead of gadgetry. One area to consider is the absence of high-tech features found in pricier models. However, this brings a welcome simplicity, making it perfect for anyone new to home workouts. You won't feel overwhelmed by technology, just hop on and get moving. After testing this elliptical extensively, I've grown fond of its sturdy build. It feels reliable, even during intense sessions. This machine truly delivers a full-body workout within the confines of your home. If you seek an affordable, effective machine that doesn't compromise on quality, dive deeper into the EFITMENT Magnetic Elliptical Machine. Stay tuned for a value-packed model that delivers smooth strides and space-saving design. At number 4, we have Sunny Health and Fitness Performance Interactive Series Elliptical, the best value elliptical machine. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and affordable elliptical machine, the Sunny Health and Fitness Performance Interactive Series Elliptical stands out. You'll appreciate its smooth and natural stride. Unlike many budget models, this elliptical won't leave you feeling janky after your workout. With 8 resistance levels, it caters to beginners and more intermediate users. You can choose the intensity that suits your fitness journey best. Compact and lightweight, you can easily move this machine around your home. Built-in wheels make relocating a breeze, perfect for those with limited space. Whether your gym is in a corner of your bedroom or an office, this elliptical fits right in. Comfortably designed, it offers support for your joints, making for an enjoyable workout experience. One feature that truly impressed me is the quality of the machine, particularly given its price range. It feels sturdy and well built, unlike other ellipticals that often wobble or feel flimsy. However, if you're an advanced user, you might find the resistance levels a bit limiting. That said, it's still a great option for anyone not looking to tackle extreme workouts. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this elliptical provides incredible value. It makes fitness accessible without compromising on quality. Up next, get ready for whisper quiet power and fully adjustable inclines to challenge your limits. Still searching for the perfect elliptical machine? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Soul E35 Elliptical, the best quiet elliptical machine. Need a quiet workout option? The Soul E35 Elliptical shines as the best choice for smooth, silent exercise. Ideal for parents or anyone living in close quarters, this machine operates with minimal noise, letting you focus on your fitness without disturbing others. One standout feature is the adjustable incline. This allows you to shift your workout intensity effortlessly. Couples that with resistance levels, and you can easily target different muscle groups. If monotony creeps in during your sessions, changing the incline can refresh your routine. Another appealing aspect is the overall build quality. This elliptical feels solid and well engineered, providing a stable experience. It does not wobble or shake, even during vigorous workouts, which increases your confidence and focus on fitness goals. I truly appreciate how user-friendly the console is. It offers easy navigation through various programs and settings. Beginners will find it intuitive, while seasoned users will enjoy the customizable features. Such versatility caters to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. On the other hand, assembly can be a bit tricky. While it's manageable, having an extra set of hands can simplify the process. This minor hiccup pales in comparison to the machine's numerous strengths. The Soul E35 Elliptical delivers an excellent workout experience while remaining discreet. Its combination of adjustable features and solid construction makes it a top choice. Coming soon, a beginner-friendly powerhouse with intuitive simplicity and robust support. At number 2, we have Niceday Classic Elliptical CT11S, the best elliptical machine for beginners. Ready for a workout that doesn't overwhelm? Meet the Niceday Classic Elliptical CT11S. This machine shines as the best choice for beginners seeking a hassle-free fitness experience. You'll appreciate the intuitive display. It's uncomplicated, letting you focus on your workout instead of complicated buttons. Ergonomically designed foot pads ensure comfort during use. No matter your size, they provide solid support while you exercise. Plus, the elliptical operates quietly, making it perfect for early morning or late night sessions. You won't disturb anyone in the house. With 16 levels of resistance, it adapts easily to your fitness level. You can start at a lower intensity and progressively challenge yourself as you grow stronger. 2 grip options, one movable and one stagnant, offer flexibility for different workout styles. This diverse range increases the machine's appeal for various users. What I love most about this elliptical is its sturdy construction, supporting up to 400 pounds. It feels robust and secure, accommodating all family members. While it may lack high-tech features, that simplicity can actually be a blessing for newcomers who might feel intimidated by advanced machines. Taking a more minimalist approach ensures you'll start your fitness journey without frustration. Interested in a user-friendly machine? Take a closer look at the Niceday Classic Elliptical CT11S and elevate your workout routine today. Hold tight. Next is the ultimate machine that takes your workouts to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Schwinn Fitness 4.3 O Elliptical, the best elliptical machine overall. Elevate your workouts with the Schwinn Fitness 4.3 O Elliptical. This top-ranking machine shines as a versatile fitness companion, catering to all experience levels. Enjoy an impressive 22 preset exercise programs that keep your routine fresh and invigorating. From high-intensity intervals to steady-state cardio, you'll never get bored. Customization stands out in the Schwinn 4.3 thanks to its 20 adjustable resistance settings. Whether you're warming up gently or pushing your limits, fine-tuning intensity feels effortless. This adaptability makes it easy to challenge yourself, ensuring you stay engaged with your fitness goals. One feature that truly impresses is its Bluetooth connectivity. Syncing with popular apps like MyFitnessPal and Apple Health, your progress tracking becomes seamless. This added tech boost motivates you to stay on top of your fitness journey. Assembly is a breeze, allowing you to start using your machine without hassle. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation means you can exercise without disturbing anyone else in your home. It feels like you're gliding through your workout without the noise distraction. While it lacks built-in speakers, this slight oversight does not detract from the overall experience. Instead, it encourages you to use your devices for entertainment or motivation. If you're searching for the best overall elliptical, the Schwinn 4.3 easily fits the bill. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best elliptical machines. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which elliptical machine you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.